Hello guys. I'm here. So nakikita niyo ba yung lalagyan ko? Nakikita niyo yung watermelon ko. At may gulaman. Mr. Gulaman. Kaso, isa lang yung ano natin, yung gulaman. Hindi ako nakabili ng ibang gulaman. I'm not sure kung may yung cubes kami ni gulaman. So, pero 1.5 liters naman ito na water. So let me see if it here, because this one is a small watermelon. Just only I saw this trend in TikTok. First, we cut the watermelon. The top. This one to cover it like this. Yeah. Then next ang sarap ng watermelon ito. Next we put the inside here like this. All the watermelon, we remove the red part and we left only the skin. Paglaro yung ating kulot sa sa aming balcony to our neighbor, with our neighbor daughter. I don't know if it's nice if I blend this watermelon and mix with the gulaman. It's so yummy, but I saw the trained one. We didn't mix the red part, just only the gulaman. Any kind of gulaman you make. So I need to finish this one, guys. Look, all inside. Then I put on new pack. See you later when the red part is done. So ayan guys, it's already done. Wala nang laman, di ba? Kita niyo yan. It's empty already. So there's a white crust of skin already. Showing this one is I leave like that. The cover like this. Hindi ko na nakatawag ng aking anak kasi busy sa paglalaro. Ganyan siya. Cover lang ganyan. Diba? So, let's taste our watermelon. It's sweet. I'll put this in the fridge. And then I blend it like that. For dinner. Crap. Next, we melt this one with the hot water, guys. Yeah, see you. And this is our pot. Then this one, 1.5 liters. I don't know, maybe it's not going to hard if we got too much water on it. I'm not really sure.
So I can find any gulaman, guys. Let's see how it goes. We didn't finish that one letter, guys, because maybe it's not going too hard. They say next is we're not turned on the fire yet. So next to water is this gulaman. Just we put here. Next, we mix it. We mix it first until it's melting. Yeah, so yeah, it's melt na siya, guys. It's melt na. Sorry. Sure that it's melting na. Next, we turn on the lights. We turn on the lights. We turn on the fire. And when it's boiled, we put sugar. I cannot find any gulaman in my fridge. Only this one I found. I think it's okay without milk, right? I don't know light. My daughter doesn't like milk, so maybe I can put with the milk. I saw you guys. There is my favorite velvet cupcake. So now I bought cupcakes because I don't like the cakes because when I bought the cake, you just slice this one, you pick one by one. Yeah, separate already. It's nice to both the cupcake and the cake. So and cheapest cupcake than the cake. I really love velvet. Yeah, I don't like to be. I don't care if I'm fat. Next, we mix with the sugar, white sugar. I use white sugar. Sandrine, I make the watermelon already. I told my daughter she's made it. Daddy, you didn't buy the cubes. Actually, I don't know if enough than this one. Hmm? The water. No, just leave. Wait until it's boiled, guys. Yeah, this gulaman, this jelly. You see the water when they put the heat certain until it boils. Add sugar or milk to it. Okay, we mix with the sugar now. We don't mix the milk. We have white powder milk, but never mind. See you later, guys, when it boils. So ayan, I think it's already boiled our gulaman or jelly. See? It's already boiled, guys. I'll show you. Yeah, you show that. It's already boiled. So now I put the watermelon. This is a watermelon. Then push. I don't know if it's correct. They will fall off here. Ah, exactly the fit. Exactly the ano. Oh, it's not smelting. No, no, no. It's from the ano. It's from the when it pour. So you see that, guys? Exactly enough for the ano for our watermelon. So now we let it cool first before we put in the fridge to let it cool. Then see you later.
So, ayun guys, check na natin yung ano, yung let's check our watermelon jelly. It's hard and we slice it. I prefer them. I prefer this one. Chopping board and knife. Are you ready? Wow, it's hard, but I don't know if it's hard enough for this one. It's shaking. Let's try. If you see that, guys. My kulot is eating her Costco chicken. She like Costco chicken. It's quite fatty. I don't have breath. I'm scared because it's very jelly. Very jelly. So let's see if it's perfect or not. What do you think? Is perfect or not? Perfect. We cut one side. I'm scared. Oh, it's perfect! Yay! What is the jelly juggling? It's not standing.
I wanna try it. I wanna try it.
Wow.
I wanna try it.
You want to try? It's a watermelon taste. It's a watermelon taste. That's
Mine
good.
one's standing, look. Mine one's definitely standing.
You say it's eating the skin as well, but I cannot eat. It's too hard. Mm. Yum. It's perfect. Huh? Jiggle, jiggle. We're still halfway. So it's still not cool, the jelly yet. So must be after tomorrow. It's already cool. We put it half this in there. Oh no, in the braids. Then this half and fourth is for my color finish it later. So that's all, guys.